Hey, what's up? Chainlink holders are doing very big mistake in the current condition is gonna be very critical, because if you do this mistake, absolutely the condition is gonna be very bad now. So my brother, what's the main reason to I tell you to this mistake don't do, otherwise my friend you are completely in the loss. So the mistake is that, as you can see my brother, this time the change occurred absolutely gonna be very negative, especially from last 1 hour just in only positive. Otherwise you can see the last 1 day, the last 7 days, all change occur will be negative. So what's the main reason to they change occur and they fails down? So the main reason is that my friends, to especially the short time investors, they are starting selling, and if they are starting selling, absolutely they fails down. And the second reason is that my brothers, to this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is fails down in the start of month. So holders, don't do this mistake, otherwise you completely in the loss my brother. The mistake is that, kindly like this video and subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel. The mistake is that my brother, to if you are starting selling in this time condition, absolutely you are in the loss, because the price is very cheap now, the price is fails down. So it's a mean to the price is decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So if you are starting selling, then they are lost more and more, and absolutely you are in the loss my brother. So kindly don't sell it, hold it. I just my friends suggest you, I just share my opinion. Otherwise my brother, please you research personally. My opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price of Chainlink will be double now just and only at the end of month. So thanks for watching. XRP holder, Chainlink holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.